Opening scene. Thought-provoking visuals highlighting futuristic technology. Welcome to the Future Files, where we explore the intersection of technology and ethics. In this episode, we delve into the ethical dilemmas posed by future technologies. Join me as we navigate the complex landscape of progress and responsibility. Images depicting emerging technologies. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, we find ourselves faced with profound ethical considerations. Today, we'll examine three key areas: autonomous vehicles, artificial intelligence, and genetic engineering. Segment 1. Autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to revolutionize transportation, making our roads safer and more efficient. However, they also present ethical dilemmas that need careful consideration. Visuals of autonomous vehicles. Questions arise about decision-making algorithms in situations where accidents are unavoidable. How should these algorithms prioritize the safety of passengers versus pedestrians or other vehicles? We must strike a balance between minimizing harm and ensuring fairness and accountability. Segment 2. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is permeating various aspects of our lives, from personal assistance to medical diagnosis. However, the ethical implications surrounding AI raise critical concerns. Visuals of AI applications. Bias in AI algorithms is a pressing issue. If AI systems perpetuate or amplify existing biases, they can perpetuate discrimination in areas such as hiring, lending, and criminal justice. It's imperative to address these biases and ensure transparency, fairness, and inclusivity in AI technologies. Segment 3. Genetic engineering. Genetic engineering holds tremendous potential for treating diseases, enhancing food production, and shaping future generations. Yet, it raises profound ethical questions. Visuals of genetic engineering. The ability to modify genes raises concerns about playing the role of God and the potential for unintended consequences. We must grapple with ethical considerations surrounding issues such as genetic enhancement, informed consent, and the equitable distribution of genetic therapies. Segment 4. Striking a balance. As we navigate these ethical dilemmas, it's crucial to strike a balance between technological progress and societal responsibility. We must consider the potential risks and unintended consequences that arise from deploying these technologies without appropriate ethical frameworks. Visuals symbolizing balance. Collaboration between policymakers, technologists, ethicists, and the public is essential. Together, we can establish regulations, guidelines, and ethical frameworks that govern the development and deployment of future technologies. Segment 5. The human factor. Amidst the rapid advancements, let us not forget the importance of the human element. Ethical considerations require thoughtful reflection and empathy for the impact our choices have on individuals and communities. Visuals depicting human interaction. We must foster an ongoing dialogue, ensuring that diverse perspectives are included in shaping the future of technology. Education and awareness play a crucial role in empowering individuals to make informed decisions and navigate the ethical challenges that lie ahead. And that concludes our exploration of the ethical dilemmas of future technology. As we journey into a future filled with incredible advancements, let us remember the importance of ethical reflection and responsible innovation. Join us next time on the Future Files as we continue to unravel the mysteries of tomorrow, always striving to build a future that upholds our shared values.